Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Let's learn billing document posting status. G, posting document not created. Export data is missing. In SAP ECC or S4 HANA, the same story. So when we will get the G status, I will show you. VF02 or as VFXE are the transactions to resolve issues in support. And let's get into the document. So this is the document where let's go to the header. Probably we're able to see currently it is in C status. What is our target? If any export data is missing, it has a frequency. In a real-time support projects, you'll get the status. I'll show you how to fix this. Probably I'll do one separate video for foreign trade data. Any foreign trade data is missing, how you have to resolve and all those things. Okay, thank you so much. Let's before getting back to the topic. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 835 students. 835 videos. Currently, I'm holding 6,000 plus students in my Udemy forum. 1,000 people reviewed means they understood something good. Almost 99% successful reviews. And this is my sales and distribution course, which 4.1 hours. Sorry, 4.1 rating. Today, I'm fumbling like anything, a lot of disturbances around me. And if you look at this, these are the two courses, getting master to write functional specification with RISEF and real-time idoc training with the business. And you can able to see this. These two are like, useful for all beginners and experienced professionals. And I have different courses like this. Pricing is one of my favorite topic. This course itself, I'm holding 2,000 plus students. If you really want, you can give it a try. And this is for advanced concepts I have done with that motivation. Let's get back to this one. Okay. So I have created order and delivery. There is nothing new to show you again. Let me go to the document flow. See here, I have created invoice, order, delivery, picking goods issue. So issue, it will show like this, missing export data missing. So clear, right? So let's go to this invoice and let's try to fix this. I'll show you how to fix this. So go to the foreign trade data. Okay. So here, no data is there. That means it might be missing in header level. Let me try to show you the status first. Okay. See, G posting document not created due to export data missing. Let's come here. Okay, so let me try to go to the change mode of this. So let's come here. If you look at this, so generally what happens, you can able to choose. So if any incomplete log is there, that you can able to click here. Okay, so it is missing mode of transport and a domestic mode of transport data is missing. Let's put this, I'm choosing this one, C, and this one also C. Okay, press enter. Let's check this and come back. Let's check item level also. This is fine, I feel. So let's put it this one also. So, okay. Let's set this. So what is in business and transaction type for foreign data, export, import procedure, commodity code. So many things it is asking. Okay. So let's take this commodity code. Okay. It's not available. Let's try to check anything. Okay. So let's check. One is gone. Import export procedure, business transaction type. Okay. So let's choose. So probably I'm choosing the standard. Anything for that matters. So now check incomplete log again. So you are learning two things, right? Now let's check. So now this become green. You can set it. Okay. So now let's go back and try to check the header status. Still it is showing G. Let's save this. Okay. So let's check. Okay. Okay, this is complete now. Let's save this. See, now it is done. Let's release this. It is already passed to accounting. Now you can able to see the accounting document. This is how you can able to fix the issues, and it is not that much simple how I replicated, but sometimes you will get the complex issues. So generally, instead of foreign data, there is one more module came GTS if someone would like to learn. So I'm always respecting people's skills rather than deceiving way of, getting into the industry. Learn everything perfectly and come back. If you really like my video, please like it. Likes are very important. Please subscribe my channel. And if you really wanted to have a dedicated learning, please subscribe my YouTube courses. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. I'm just keeping in the mind of real time. I've done all my courses. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. All the best.